welcome back. I'm Christina from The Organic Spade, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about pruning and trimming your air plants. So if you see this one, I've already cleaned it up and it looks so much better. Okay, I'm going to tell you what I did, and you can, just compare it with the ones I haven't done yet. So you can see how this one is much more compact looking and cleaner looking. Like you can see the babies a lot more clearly. This one, I think, the roots really steal the show. I mean, in a negative way. Like when you look at it, you can all I see when I look at this one is the unsightly roots, and I don't like that. Okay, so when I'm pruning or trimming my air plants, I wanna take off the roots because they don't need them. Alright, now in the wild, air plants will only use their roots to cling on to a tree or a rock just to anchor them in place. But in a domestic environment like your home, it's not needed really, because we take care of them, we place them where we want to place them, and it's of no use to them because they don't use their roots to take in nutrients or water or anything like that. They actually do that through their leaves. So if you can you see the little silvery whitish fuzziness on the leaves? So that is what they use to actually pull in nutrition through the air, or when you're giving them a drink, when you're giving them a soak in water. That is what helps them pull in all of that water and nutrition through the leaves. The roots is only used to anchor themselves, so it's not important, and if you trim it off, it's fine. It's not going to harm the plant at all, so you can do that. Now, if you want to know, can you prune the leaves? Can you take off dead leaves or any of the leaves from the bottom? Can you do that? Yes, you can do that. Again, you will not be damaging the plant at all. It all depends on what kind of look you want to go for. Now, when air plants put out new leaves, their new leaves actually come out through the center. So everything that you're actually pruning is always going to be from the bottom, right? That's where you're going to prune from. And those leaves are old leaves, so it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to just change the camera angle for you guys so you get a better angle of what I'm doing. And then we'll get started. Okay, so let's start with this one. So I'm going to start with the leaves, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking off the leaves at the base so that I can just see where the roots are and then cut off the roots later on. So when you're doing that, just do one leaf at a time, go slow. Most of them will come off. Like this one's a dry leaf, so it's just gonna come off. This one is gonna come off too. It's quite easy, so you just pull it off, you just pull it out like that. Take it down and pull it out. Now, how much you take off is completely up to you, okay? You can take off as much as you think you need to. That is a decision you have to make depending on how you want the finished plant to look like. See, it's already starting to look a lot cleaner, like the moment I start taking those leaves off. It's all entangled in the roots. You just have to peel it off, like it literally just peels off. And yeah, I think I'm going to take these ones off too, because they're pointing downwards and I don't like that. That's not coming off. Yeah, okay, there. This one will be a lot easier to remove once I get the roots out. Can you see the amount that I've actually taken off from this one plant? Like all of the leaves that were growing downwards, I've taken those off. Now I can take these off too, but I don't know, I think it's fine. It doesn't look that bad. Maybe I'll change my mind. Maybe I'll let them be on. Okay, now for the roots, just make sure you're holding the air plant from the base and not from the leaf. And you can trim as close as possible. There we go. And that's done. There. Much cleaner. Much cleaner. I like the look of this one. Now you can further clean this up. So if you notice, like, some of these tips are really dry, if you don't want to take this entire leaf off, you can just chop that tip off. It's fine. But since this one's really loose like that, I think I might as well just take it off. Yeah, here's a good example. So you see these dry tips, you can just cut those tips off. Just make sure that after you cut it, you still have a point here so that it just blends in with the rest of the leaves. If the Tillandsia that you have has pointed edged leaves, when you're cutting off dry tips or broken leaves, make sure you create that pointy edge on the leaf again. Alright, so here they are, all clean up and pretty. I've taken off all of the unsightly roots and the lower leaves that I didn't like. So this is them now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was quite short and like just a short topic about trimming and pruning. Since I was anyways going to be doing it, I said why not, film a video for you guys as well. In case you had doubts about whether you should or you could, now you know you can do it. You can prune, you can trim the roots. Nothing's going to happen to the plants. They're going to be just fine. So if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel. If you have any tips or suggestions on how I can improve my content, or if you think I should make more of a certain type of content, let me know in the comments. It really helps out. My channel is fairly new and I could really use your help to make my channel better. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.